In this video, I show you how to create a bomb. So to create a material bomb in SAP, we use CS01 T code, and to create before creating a bomb, we have to know what is bomb. So a bomb is a bill of material, and in this bill of material, we have structured some components against the header material. So these components have their quantity and unit of measure in the bomb. So when we create a bomb, so there is a if for FG and SFG materials are there. FG material means the finished material, and SFG is semi-finished material. So these two materials bomb can be created, and component it used, it's called a raw material. So for an example, if a computer is the finished goods, it is in the header material, and the computer components, that are CPU, mouse, keyboard, monitor, that are all in the components item of the bomb. So bomb is a two types of bomb are there. So one is a production bomb, one is engineering bomb. So we mainly use the production bomb for the material. Production bomb can have multiple alternative bombs. In one bomb we can have two SFG or FG, and multiple components are there. So to create a bomb, first we in SAP we have to write the T code CS01 to create the bomb. In this screen you can see the material you have to put, which is the header material or SFG material, which can be created as a bomb, and the plant and usage you have to give there. The plant is the plant where you manufacture the particular finished good, and the bomb usage will be always be production as for material bomb. So these are the data I have created for your example. So here is the header material, which you can see. So I put the header material here, then the plant and bomb usage are there. So when you do the enter, you can see the screen of components I have to put. So against that header material, you can put the multiple components. To create this header material, we need these components. So when we put this component in the bomb, so the bomb will get effective. Here we can put the item category L for every stock items we counted in the stock. There are multiple item categories are there. So as you can see, from the drop down is the compatible unit, which is the other materials rather than raw materials. Documented items is the is not counted as a general stock material. The documented item is only the picture you can upload or design you can upload against this documented item. No component quantity will be considered there. And for others, you can see non-stock items, which are your consumables or other spare parts, is used as a non-stock item. So here I put the stock items and the quantity. The quantity I am putting against this FG material, the components needed to be created. So when I enter, you can see the UM of the material automatically comes, as the material is already created in the system, and from the material the UM automatically fetch the quantity of measure. So then you can save. As you can see in the header, you can see the base quantity. So base quantity is basically for your bomb, it is 1, because for one quantity creation, how much quantity of components you require, you put in the component section. So these components quantity are required to create this CTP bench pitch. So that's all for the BOM creation part. Now you can save the BOM. The BOM is created, as you can see. This creating After the creation of BOM, you can edit the BOM in the T code of CS02. So when you put the CS02, you can see the material you have to put, then the plant, then the BOM usage, which is the production. So after execution, you can see the BOM components. You can change the BOM components if you require. If liquid pitch is required more than one quantity to produce this material, then you have to change the component to 2 and enter. Then you can save, so it will get changed. And to display, you can use the CS03 T code, which is it, and you can display. You can see all the materials are there. So that's it from the BOM creation part. Thank you.